P2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10. Find the value of y for which the distance between the point P2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10 units. Using distance formula, P2 minus 3,
Q 10 and y.
yes, PQ is equal to root of 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 3 whole square.
Plus is equal
8
to 10.
whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 10. This is equal to root 64 plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 10.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, Chin sir.
Huh?
10 hello, Chin sir.
Given the value distance between 2 points P2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10.
Okay,
Distance
sir.
from okay PQ equal to 10.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
1 minute. Complete, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, next is squaring both sides, కదా sir?
Yes, expanding squaring in both sides. Root of 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10. Square cancel అవుతుంది 60 root cancel 64 plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 100.
100.
64 plus expanding y plus 3 whole square y square a square 2ab plus b square is equal to 100. 64 plus y square plus
64 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 100.
Yes. Y square plus 60.
Y square plus 6y plus 73 is equal to 100.
Y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0.
Minus 27, sir.
Yes. Y square plus 6y
Plus 6y
minus
minus
27.
27 is equal to
Is
0.
it, sir?
Solve the equation y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0.
Y square minus 3y plus 9y minus 27.
Yes. 27 factors. 9 into 3.
3
Plus
and
9.
9.
Plus 9 minus 3.
Yes, sir.
11.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
సార్
Bharat,
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి
volume mute change Jagdish.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
Okay. Before previous root 64 plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 10. Squaring in both sides. Root of 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 whole square. Cancellation of root. 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square means 100. 64 plus y plus 3, this is equal to a plus b whole square, expanding. A square y square plus 2ab, 2 into y into 3 plus 3 square equal to 100. 64 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 100. Y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9, 73 equal to 100. Y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0. Y square plus 6y minus 100 is the largest number, so sign is minus. So how much? 100 minus 73 equal to 23. 7 is equal to 0. Now factors
Sir,
of
పేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్.
huh?
దీని వెనకాతల పేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్.
Okay.
సార్ దీని వెనకాతల పేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్, కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Yes.
1 second, sir.
సార్ 73 ఎలా వచ్చింది సార్?
73, 64 plus 9.
ఓకే సార్.
Both are positives. Both constants positive. So 64 plus 9, 73. Y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Add 6. Add plus 6. Multiply 27. So 27 factors. 9 into 3 plus 9 minus 3. This
Minus
is equal
3.
to 6. So this is convenient to 6y is written, can be written as plus 9y
Y square plus
minus 3y
9
minus 27 equal to
27. 0.
y common తీస్తే y plus 9 minus 3 into y plus 9 equal to 0.
0.
Both equal. So once
Yes,
you
sir.
once given.
Y
plus 9
y plus
into y
9
minus 3 equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to symbol changing minus
Minus.
9 and 3.
minus 9 and plus 3.
Yes.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
Yes. Y plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Center one is adding that to add plus 6. Multiplication minus 27 into this one. This is equal to 1. 27 into 1, 27. Come to factors of 27. 27, 9 into 3, 27. Actually, plus 6 can be written as plus 9 and minus 3. We convenient to. Y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. Common. Y into y plus 9 minus 3 common. Y plus 9 equal to 0. Both factors are equal. So y plus 9 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Y is equal to plus 9 changing into minus 9, minus 3 converting into 3. So y is equal to minus 9 and 3.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, come to 13th one. Find the radius of the cell. Yes.
సార్
Huh?
ఫ్రంట్ పేజ్ పెట్టరా? కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Yes. Find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passing through 5 minus 5 and 6. Draw the rough diagram. This is equal to circle. This is equal to center. The center is 3, 2. This is equal to radius minus 5, 6. Center of the circle O 3, 2. Point A minus 5, 6. Radius is OA. OA is equal to distance using distance formula minus 5 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to, both are same sign, so minus 8 whole square plus 6 minus 2 4 whole square. Power notation is even, so minus converting into plus. 64 plus 16 equal to 80. 16 into 5. This is equal to 4 root 5.
Complete, sir.
Okay. Come to 14th one.
Sir, 1
Sir.
minute please. Sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
మళ్ళీ పెట్టండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
Okay. Okay. Okay, come to 14th one. Can you draw a triangle which vertices 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14. Give reason. Okay. Can you draw a triangle with vertices 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14? Give reasons. Let us apply the distance formula. To find the distances PQ, QR and RP, where P 15, Q 58 and R 13, 14. are the given points we have PQ, QR, RP. Okay. Balaji,
Okay, sir.
Yes,
can
sir.
you draw a, yes, problem is, can you draw a triangle with vertices 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14? Is it possible? Any give reasons? Solution is, let us apply the distance formula to find the distances 1, 5, 5, 8, 13, 14 like PQ, QR and RP, where P is 1, 5, Q is 5, 8 and 13, R is 13, 14.
Yes,
We
sir.
have the given points PQ, QR, RP. Jagdish, mute. Firstly, you have find the PQ, distance between two points, using a distance formula. PQ, QR and RP.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, you find PQ. What is the value of PQ?
Root 5, sir. 5, sir.
Yes, root 25, that is 5.
Yes, sir.
Secondly, you find
QR.
QR and RP.
Okay, sir.
PQ root 25 వచ్చింది.
Yes, PQ root 25, that is 5. Square root of 25, that is 5.
Yes, sir.
Second, find the value of QR.
Second is cancel.
Okay. Ten means root 100.
Yes, sir. Root 100, sir.
Yes.
Sir, RP 25, sir. 15, sir.
15.
Root 225, sir.
13 minus 1 whole square plus 14 minus 5 whole square. 12 whole square, 9 whole square. 144 plus 81. 225.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 15.
Root 220.
Root 15, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
PQ plus
Sir, 1 minute.
yes, QR is equal to RP. PQ is 5, QR is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So PQ and R does not form a triangle.
సార్ 15 ఎలా వచ్చింది సార్ ఆర్పి
RP 12 whole square 144 plus 9 whole square 81. 415,842 12 225. That is equal to 15. Square root of 225 15.
Completed, sir.
Yes, PQ plus QR is equal to RP, where PQ and R does not form a triangle. PQ and R does not form a triangle because the rule of the form of a triangle is sum of the two sides is greater than third side, but two sides sum of two sides is equal to third side. So the points, the vertices are does not form a triangle.
Okay, sir.
Okay, last one. 15th sum. Find a relation between X and Y such that the point XY is equidistant from the points -2, 8 and -3, -5. Find a relation between X and Y such that the point XY is equidistant from the points -2, 8 and -3, -5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Solution. Let the given points P, X, Y, Q minus 2, 8 and R minus 3, minus 5. P is equidistant from Q and R. Solution. Let the given points P, X, Y, Q minus 2, 8, R minus 3, minus 5. P is equidistant from the points Q and R. So, using distance formula, distance between 2 points like PQ and QR.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Completed,
Yes.
sir.
Completed, sir.
Using distance formula,
సార్ ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ పేజ్ పెట్టరా సార్ ఫినిష్ సార్
yes. Using distance formula, PQ, PXY, Q minus 2, 8. PQ equal to minus 2 minus X whole square plus 8 minus Y whole square. Next, QR minus 2, 8 R minus 3 minus 5. QR equal to root of minus 3 minus minus 2 whole square minus 5 minus 8 whole square minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 whole square minus 13 whole square root of minus 1 whole square plus minus 13 whole square. This is equal to root of 1 plus 169, 170.
Completed, sir.
QR explain చేయండి సార్.
Okay. QR, Q minus 2, 8 and R is minus 3 minus 5. QR is equal to root of minus 3 minus original minus coordinate minus 2 whole square plus minus 5 minus 8 whole square minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus minus both signs are same minus 13 whole square minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 13 whole square. Already power notation is even, so minus converting into plus. Minus 1 whole square means 1 plus minus 13 whole square equal to 169, both root of 170. Okay?
Completed, sir.
Yes. Come to
Completed,
PQ.
sir.
Yes, PQ is equal to QR. Root of 2 minus 2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus 5 whole square equal to root to 170. Okay. Both sides root cancellation, the rule is squaring in both sides.
సార్ ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ పేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్. సార్ ఓకే సార్. కంప్లీటెడ్.
Yes, squaring in both sides. Minus 2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square root square is equal to root 170 whole square. This is equal to minus x plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus y whole square equal to 170. Minus power notation even, so minus converting into plus. X plus 2 whole square, expanding x square plus 2 into x, 4x plus 4. This is equal to a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, 2 into 8 into y, 16y plus y square equal to 170. X square plus 4x plus 68 minus 16y plus y square minus 170 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 16y minus 170 plus 170 is 68. 2 102 equal to 0.
సార్ అర్థం కాలేదు సార్. ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అది దేనికి చేసేది సార్? ఎక్స్
చెప్పండి సార్
ప్లస్ 2
ఒకసారి.
సార్ 8 మైనస్ వై
సార్
సార్.
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Yes.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
1 minute. PQ is equal to root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square and PR. Sorry, ఇక్కడ QR కాదు, PR చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. PQ, PR. PR. Okay. There is a small mistake. Just distance formula, using distance formula, distance between 2 points PQ and PR. Minus 3.
నెక్స్ట్ పేజీ కూడా తప్పు వేయాలి సార్.
Yes. Minus 5 minus y whole square This is equal to minus x plus 3 whole square plus 5y plus 5 whole square. This is equal to root of x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Only PQ and PR.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Neelima?
Sir.
Okay, okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
సార్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Yes. PQ, PXY, Q minus 2, 8. PQ is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to minus 2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square. Next, come to using distance formula in distance to points like P and R, PR. Pxy r minus 3 minus 5. PR is equal to root of minus 3 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus y whole square. Minus common. Minus into 3x plus 3 whole square plus minus common is the minus into y plus 5 whole square. Minus this is equal to power notation is even, so minus converting it automatically plus x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Now PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. PR is x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Squaring in both sides. Root of minus x plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus 5 whole square equal to root of x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Root cancellation, x plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus y whole square this is equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Expanding a plus b whole square like x plus 2 whole square. This is equal to a square 2ab plus b square. A means x, b means 2, 2ab. 8 minus y whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. 8, b means y, 8 into y. This is equal to a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab. 2 into 3 into x, 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 2ab, 2, 10, 5 plus 25. X square plus 4x plus 4 plus 64 minus 16y plus y square equal to x square plus 6x plus y square plus 10y plus 34. X square plus 4x minus 16y plus y square plus 68 equal to x square plus 6x plus y square plus 10y plus 34. Okay?
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Yes. PQ is equal to PR root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square equal to root of x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Both sides roots square cancellation rule is squaring in both sides. Root of minus common is the minus into x plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equal to root of x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Root cancellation. X plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus y whole square equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. This expanding a plus b whole square. X square plus 2 into x into 2, 4x plus 2 square, 4. 8 square, 64. 2 into 8 into y, 16y plus y square. X square plus 2 into x into 3, 6x plus 3 square, 9. 9 plus y square plus 2 into y into 5, 10y plus 5 square, 25. X square plus 4x minus 16y plus y square plus 64 plus 4, 68 equal to x square plus 6x plus y square plus 10y plus 34. 25 plus 9, 34.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay.
సార్ 1 minute సార్.
Okay, okay.
సార్ చివరి 25 ఎలాగొచ్చింది సార్?
This one 3 square 9, 5 square 25. 25 plus 9, 34.
కంప్లీట్ సార్.
Okay.
సార్
Completed, sir.
Yes.
1 minute.
సార్ 2 minutes ఆగండి సార్.
Okay, okay.
సార్ లాస్ట్ ఇది కనబడట్లేదు సార్.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay. X plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus y whole square equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. This expanding x square plus 4x plus 4. This expanding 8 square 64 plus minus 16y plus y square equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 10y plus 25. X square plus 4x minus 16y plus y square 64 plus 4 68 equal to x square plus 6x plus y square plus 10y plus 25 plus 9 34. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Both sides x square cancellation.
Okay,
Both
sir.
sides y square cancellation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Remaining 4x minus 16y plus 68 equal to 6x plus 10y plus 34. Six x plus 10y plus 34 minus left to right to 4x and 16 plus 16, all the symbols are changing. 6x plus 10y plus 34 minus 4x plus 16y minus 68 equal to 0. 6x minus 4x 2x, 10y plus 16 26y, 34 minus 68 minus 34 equal to 0. 2x plus 26y is equal to 34. Both sides 2 common. X plus 13y equal to 17. 2 to cancel. Therefore, relationship between x and y, x plus 13y equal to 17. Jagdish, volume mute check.
Sir, ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ ఇది.
4x minus 16y plus 68 is equal to 6x plus 10y plus 34. PQ is equal to PR. Highest value first taken highest value 6x plus 10y plus 34. ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న ఈ 4x minus 16y plus 68 రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే సింబల్స్ ఆర్ చేంజింగ్. ప్లస్ 4x minus 16y converting into plus 16y plus 68 converting into minus 68 equal to 0. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x. 10y plus 16y 26y plus 34 minus 68 is highest number, so largest number, so symbol is minus. How much? 68 minus 34 equal to 0. 2x plus 26y is equal to 34. Both sides 2 common. 2 into x plus 13y equal to 2 into 17. 2 to cancel. Finally, relationship between x and y, x plus 13y equal to 17.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
In expanding, don't confusion. Very simple trick. For example, x plus y whole square expanding. This is equal to this x square. Okay? Plus 2 front. 2 into x into y plus y square. Okay? X square plus 2 quotient form 2 into x into y plus y square and x minus y whole square. X square minus 2 into x into y plus y square. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
ఒకసారి అది ఎక్కించుకోండి.
ఫస్ట్ ఉన్న x కి స్క్వేర్ పెడతాం ప్లస్ y కి స్క్వేర్ పెడతాం ప్లస్ ఈ 2 ని ఫ్రంట్ కి తీసుకు 2 into x into y. For example, x minus 2 whole square. X square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. X square minus 4x plus 4. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
All of you open your videos. All of you open your videos. Nagamani, Harini, Alikya, Asha, Nandini, Shruti, Bharat, Rajeshwari, Indira, Ishak, Akshay, Neelima, Asha, Kranti, Mujira, Maunish, Balaji, Hemant, Hari, Abhi. Nagamani, Harini, Asha, Nandini, Shruti. 1 minute Matwanta video Sanjay. Nagamani, Harini,
సార్ ఆన్ చేశాను సార్.
కనిపించట్లే నువ్వు. హరిణి, శృతి, ఇందిరా, ఇస్సాక్, అక్షయ్, మౌనిష్, హేమంత్, నీలిమ. హరిణి, ఆశానందిని, శృతి, Indira.
Sir.
ఏది లేదా?
Good morning and bye, sir.
బాలాజీ. బాలాజీ.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకసారి చదువు. నీ బుక్ లో చూసి చదువు. స్క్రీన్ మీద మిస్ అయింది. రాసుకుని నోట్స్ చదువు. చదువు.
Yes, sir.
Homework ఏంటి సార్?
లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది కదా, పీకి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ పిఆర్, అక్కడి నుంచి చదువు. ముజిరా.
Yes, sir.
సార్ వీడియోలోకి వచ్చి నువ్వు లాస్ట్ ది పీకి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ పిఆర్ ఉంది, ఒకసారి చదువు నీ నోట్స్ తీసుకొని.
Okay, sir. 15th question, sir.
లాస్ట్ వన్ పీకి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ పిఆర్ దగ్గర నుంచి చదువు. వీడియోలోకి రా.
PR is equal to root bracket minus 3 minus x square plus minus 5 minus y is equal to whole square minus x plus 3 whole square plus minus y plus 5 whole square is equal to root x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. PQ is equal to RP. Root minus 2 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equal to root x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Squaring in both sides. Minus x plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equals to root x plus 3 whole square plus 4 plus 5 whole square. X plus 2 whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equals to x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. X whole square plus 2 x 2 plus 2 whole square plus 8 whole square minus 2 8 7 plus y whole square is equals to 8 square x whole square plus 6x plus 9 plus y whole square plus 10y plus 25 x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 64 minus 16 4y 4 square is equals to x square plus 60x plus y square plus 10 y plus 3 34 x square cancel plus 4x 16 4 plus y square cancel plus 68 is equals to x square cancel plus 6x plus y square cancel plus 10 y plus 34 4x minus 16 4 plus 68 is equals to x plus 6x plus 10y plus 34 6x plus 10y plus 34 minus 4x plus 16y minus 68 is equals to 0. 2x plus 26y minus 34 is equals to 0. 2x plus 2 6y is equals to 34. 2 cancel. X plus 13y is equals to 2. 2 cancel is equals to 17.
Very good.
Therefore, x plus 13y is equals to 17. Expanding x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2 xy plus y. Example, x minus 2 whole square is equals to x whole square minus 2x 2 plus 2 square x square minus 4x plus 4.
Very good.
Completed, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Jagdish, Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Good.
Homework, sir.
Huh?
Homework,
ఎవరది?
sir.
హోంవర్క్ కింద మీ సార్స్ మేడమ్స్ మీరు చాలా బిజీ అయిపోయారు. మీరు వర్క్ ఎక్కడ చేస్తారులే మీరు ఇచ్చిన వర్క్ ఇన్ టైంలో సబ్మిట్ చేయరు. మీకు వర్క్ ఎందుకు మీకు వద్దులే, అవసరం లేదు, ఇబ్బంది పడకండి.
సారీ సార్, ఈసారి నేను చేస్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే, అయ్యే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. లాస్ట్ సమ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి పెట్టండి. అది
Okay,
కొంచెం
okay, sir.
ఇది రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై, పీక్యూ పిఆర్ అన్నది చాలా పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం. అది ఎక్కువ ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఎంతో పడుతుంది, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుని అప్పుడు పెట్టండి, చూద్దాం.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
ఓకే, గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
బాయ్ సార్.
Bye, sir.